Hi, I'm Chelly Wood. You might know me from chellywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, instead of a sewing video, I'm going to show you how to make a 1/6 scale dollhouse fireplace. You will need scrapbook paper, an empty box, foam board, scissors, and glue or glue dots, along with a picture frame, a pencil, and a marker. Remove the lid from your empty box. Cover the box with dark paper. Dark paper makes it so you can't see any words that were on the box. Cut wavy strips of red and gold paper and glue these onto a piece of brick-looking paper. And then outline the paper with black marker. Glue this open fire image to your box. Find a frame that's made of soft material like pressboard. Measure and cut this frame to fit in front of your fireplace. Any children watching need to get an adult to help out with this part of the project. Leave a slight gap at the bottom. Cut a strip of scrapbook paper that looks like brick and a strip of black cardstock the box's width. Glue the paper piece over the cardstock piece, just like you see me doing here. They should be the same width as your fireplace. Attach the chimney strip to your diorama using glue dots, pins, tacks, or whatever works. Cut another strip of scrapbook brick-looking paper and glue this around the top and sides of the box. Use glue or glue dots to affix the frame to the fireplace box. Remember to leave a small gap for the dais at the bottom. To make your dais, cut a piece of foam board that's shaped like this, kind of like the back of a basketball hoop. Place your fireplace on top along the square edge and trace around the base of your fireplace. And then cut the dais so it fits very snugly against the fireplace. If it's too long, trim any excess from the dais. Lay foam dais on top of brick-look paper like you see me doing here and trace all around the dais shape about 1 centimeter out from the top and sides, but following the inset area with very close trace. So you'll see me doing that here. So as I lay it down and then I start to trace, I make sure I'm 1 centimeter away from the edge when I do this, but when I go inside I'm very close. Cut out the brick-look paper following the lines you've made. And that's what I'm doing here. Glue the paper to the foam board. I used a hot glue gun. Of course, if children are watching this, they should have an adult helping. Clip the overhanging paper edges. Fold and glue these clipped edges. So when I say clip, it's kind of like when I do my sewing videos and we clip any corners. You clip the paper and then you use hot glue gun to hold it down, and I'm using rubber between me and the hot glue to make sure that I don't get burned. On one side of the dais it looks like this, but on the underside the paper edge is hanging over, and that's okay. That means you've got plenty of paper there to work with. But trim away this extra paper edge, and that's what I'm doing right here, just trimming off the extra. Insert the fireplace into the dais's opening. Did you enjoy this DIY doll fireplace tutorial? Did you know that my website, chellywood.com, offers free printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes? Visit my website for your free stockings pattern. Yep, I've got that too. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and my free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.